this time by. Top two have been the same the entire race. Tim Skinner in the 941 of Brian McCann. That was the tail going off in a run. A little bit further back in that 4 spot, the 02 of Zachary Brooks is falling back to the 188 at Doug Rink. And even behind Doug Rink, the 68 is Zachary Lenz looping in inside of him. It looks like he's got that spot. Now for the lead, the 941 just go by the 223 Tim Skinner, but Tim's fighting back on the outside. Looks as though the 941 Brian McCann will take that spot away for now, going off down towards 7. Tim's fighting back on the inside. He's got a spot going in towards 8. He's at the inside line. Will the 941 cut back? He thought about it, and he will. He's on the outside quarter panel, which will turn into for turn 9. 941 does a crossover going through the exit of 9. And now he's at the lead back in the 13 of Alex McKeeto's looking around, shaking his car, trying to get to the lead. Will Tim fight back, coming around the final corner right now? No, the 941 of Brian McCann's going to come across the line side by side and take the win. Just ahead of Tim Skinner in second and Alex McKeeto in third and 13th.